You know, real estate is a dynamic industry. There's multiple aspects. From buying to building, from new to old, we've got you covered. Today, I'm going to show you how. Real estate and new construction development. Not only will we help you build your new home, we'll help you pick the floor plan, design it, as well as pick the site location for it, just like our Ocho Rios development right here in Pineville. Here's one of our listings that's a little closer to completion. It's a custom-built home in St. Andrews Lanes, right here in Alexandria. I don't think that we just focused on new homes. We also focus on historic properties, like this revitalized bungalow right here in Alexandria's Garden District. And here we are in Woodworth with our traditional listing, this Acadian-style single-family home. So as you can see, there's multiple aspects of real estate, from buying to building, from new to old. We've got you covered. So when you think of real estate, think the George Group.